Welcome to our video featuring the PandaEar 3-pack baby bowls with suction. These bowls are made for your precious little ones, designed for a safe and no-mess mealtime experience. The PandaEar bowls are made of premium silicone, ensuring they are safe for your child, free from harmful chemicals like BPA, lead, and latex. No more mealtime chaos. The unique suction base keeps the bowl securely in place, preventing any messy spills. Just remember to dampen the surface a bit for the best grip. Cleanup is simple. These silicone bowls are dishwasher safe and stain resistant, ensuring they stay looking new after every use. Join the many satisfied parents who have rated these bowls highly. With over 3,032 reviews and a rating of 4.3, they are making mealtime easier for families everywhere. Are you ready to transform mealtime for your little one? Click the link in the description to purchase your PandaEar baby bowls today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.